Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by open Soundcore application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see this menu and you need to tap at your device at the device list. Then go to the line at the top, this is ANC, and tap on it. If you see another menu that what I have right here, it means that you need to perform HearID ANC test. And on this channel we have instruction how to perform it, so you can easily find it. Now, right here we have two options, is to use adaptive mode and it will change your ANC level, depend of your background. Or you can also use manual mode, just tap on it and here's we have three options. Strong one, if you need all time use full potential of this mode. Next we have mid, and also we have a weak. So you can select the best one for you, and after you did it, I guess strong is the best one for me, you just go back and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!